Fans, welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. Manipulators, husband snatcher, home wrecker, home destroyer. They will never change. Nothing they change them. Especially the ones when they always want to prove themselves right. Nothing they change them. My people, Ekwensu, Judy Austin know say she F up. Judy Austin know say she F up. She know say nobody is coming for her. Nobody. Remember this same woman, the family of Yul Edochie, they rejected her. No matter everything when she tried to prove to the world, this family have rejected her. The rejection is not from Pete Edochie. It's from inside the May Gongong family. Now they talk and say Judy Austin will never be accepted into their family. So Pete Edochie not get say or voice on this. Maybe Pete Edochie for even consider him. Be that Yul Edochie na his son, but the order is coming from above. You know when policeman tell you say order from above, that means there is nothing that can be done. This is exactly the situation of Judy Austin. Order from above of the family rejected her. When she born the first one, Pete Edochie welcomed that child. After he welcomed that child, now from the second one, now serious warning come from the family. She still went ahead. She born the third one. She still went ahead, continue with relationship. When it be say the elders of the family, they don't sit down round table say, you will never be accepted in their family. It is a taboo. You went ahead with that kind of family. Now you don't born 3 children for grant. Yul Edochie don dey show you pepper. If to say na only pepper now Yul Edochie dey show you, we for even still dey laugh. But you see this your own Cameroon pepper, the hottest pepper, now you dey see. Now this social media, now I warn you say, Judy Austin, all these children, you know they pity them. You just dey think about yourself. You know they pity these children. Children will be say, you dey born children, you dey do enmity. Anything where papa and mama they do today are because of their children. Now I'm a person wey not get pikin, if he do enemy with everybody for the world. Once he buy is gone. But anybody wey get pikin, if the papa and mama not dey tomorrow, now wetin papa do for grant? Neither pikin go take see help if he need help. They will say because of his papa, oh, because of his mama. Judy Austin did not think about her children. She was concentrating on herself. This family don't pursue you. You not think for the future of these children. Instead, she dey create enmity. She dey create enmity between her children and Yul Edochie other children. Anything you do to hurt May Edochie, the children they watch you. The children of May Edochie, they not be omomo, they not be baby of 2 years or 3 years. Everything you do directly and indirectly, they know. She thinks say she was on top of the world. She born children when Yul Edochie never see before. Her children are top notch. Nothing come close to them. Her children are the chosen one. Why May Edochie children are being abandoned? She was feeling as if she have won and she have gained everything. Not knowing say person where they curse. Now blessing they receive before curse they hit them. She was walking on top of the sky. Drag Daniela, she drag May Edochie, drag her children. Nothing where she never talk about that woman and her children on the social media. But today the table don't turn around. The table have turned around against her. The table don't turn around. The same Judy Austin, when he said she don't born the only daughter of Yul Edochie, that is what she said. That is what she said. She said she don't born the only daughter. She said she don't born the only daughter of Yul Edochie. Then who come be Daniela? Sometimes there are things when they come out for maths when you not fit take back again. She said a lot of things behind camera. Behind camera. She talk and say she don't born the pikin wey finally give Yul Edochie love, peace, and rest of mind. The child that has brought smile on the face of Yul Edochie, he say he don't born her, which is Universal Thunder. This woman said a lot too. But today she don't turn around. Sent a message to Daniela that your only sister want to meet you. Your only sister want to meet you, want to know you. Daniela Bikono. Anything that happened, put it aside. You are the only sister she have. She want to meet you. She want to know you. This is Judy Austin message to Daniela. Begging Daniela to have a contact with her daughter. Begging Daniela to be in the life of her daughter. Manipulators. So you see all these manipulators, the way they work. The same Daniela when you remove the figure of a father from her life. The same Daniela when you destroy her home. Do you think you destroyed only May Edochie home? Banuna. You destroyed Daniela home. The home, when husband and wife scatter, now children they suffer. Children, now they suffer. You will be say you scatter your marriage. You see how your children were suffering. From your mama house to your sister house. From your sister house, you go drop them with your auntie. You can't still go drop them with your mama. Before you can't carry them, they stay with you. You know what it is when two parents divorce, what the children goes through. You open your two koro eyes, matured woman, wait, don't fair go husband house. You destroyed Daniela home. And today you are asking this girl that her only sister want to meet her. Which only sister? She not tell you clear, say, I'm the only daughter, please, hello, clock it. Daniela talk calm. Make you hear. In case any day you won't talk with you, they talk so. Daniela do already pass you the message. Say, I'm the only daughter, please. Any other daughter is a counterfeit. Any other daughter is a counterfeit. My people, una know the reason when he make Judy Austin, they beg Daniela to meet with Daniela. The time when I tell Judy Austin, say, focus on how to get good relationship with the Edochie family. Leave May Edochie and her children alone. They are not your problem. She said, no, now May Edochie and her children, might be a problem. Now, the Edochie family rejected her. I'm not, when I say Edochie family, I'm not saying Pete Edochie. Pete Edochie, I wish na him, maybe if I not reject her, like I said before. This is coming from the family. They rejected her. She's not accepted. She don't do everything possible. Which is this holiday, she wanted to go and spend it with her children for their mansion for village. The people of Integer rejected her. Starting, they say charity begins at home. Even before she dreamed to go May Edochie house, Pete Edochie says she cannot stay in his own house. The grandfather house of Yul Edochie, they rejected her from coming there. They stopped her, rejected her, chased her from coming to that house. May Edochie own na May Edochie don put padlock, big padlock. May Edochie don put big padlock for her house. Nobody come close. So now just imagine. Everywhere she's been rejected and chased. She see say they no gree accept her. Say they don't reject her. They say Judy Austin come reach out to one of Yul Edochie, the elders. That one they very close to Yul Edochie. Now I come they tell that one say, you no know wetin dey happen. No, this thing don dey go how many years? Is it not time these people consider her? How can she be with a man? She no fit go the man village. She no fit go see the man people. If they dey vex, this thing don still take reach now. After all, May Edochie don move on. Can't they accept her? Now that one tell am say, first of all, go beg Yul Edochie children. Starting from there. According to this person, he said to their own tradition. He said Kai now na be the senior son. Now Kai na go decide after a papa don't buy. If Amobi go don old, he can't buy go join the ancestors. Now Kai go decide whether those children go sit down for under Yul Edochie canopy. If Kai pursue them, na so shall it be. Then the person can't tell Judy Austin say, that your daughter, the first person that will recognize her is Daniel. Daniel is the first person that will recognize her. Before anybody recognize her. He said, na so that they do one for the Edochie family. Now the elder tell Judy Austin, say, your children and Yul Edochie other children, they are not in good terms. That is already a bad signal for you. If these children don't accept your children, the family of the Edochie can never accept them. Never. You would have think of making peace instead of war. Peace. Because this family not recognize you. They not go your papa house now. They don't even know you. So the way they don't know you, they don't know your children. And it is an abomination for a second wife in the Edochie family. It's what they reject. There are things that will lead to it for it to happen. So they can never accept you. First go settle with Yul Edochie other children. So as now they tell Judy Austin, you see the reason why make her come beg Daniela. They don't reject her for that. They don't cancel her, both she and her children. Now social media Yul Edochie wife, now she be. In reality, nobody knows her. The gods of Yul Edochie household, they don't know her. The ancestors of Yul Edochie household, they don't know her. If Kai talks, say those children cannot be in his father's compound, so shall it be. So that elder na come tell Judy Austin say, you dey follow man wey not serious for life. You know say Yul Edochie not serious for life. If Yul Edochie is serious for life, if I don't do something as in their life, so that they go recognize una. Because if they don't recognize una now, after him buy, you people can never be recognized again. And the only way una will take get hope na Kai. If Kai come pursue una, now we don't finish with that. So these are the things when it come put Judy Austin, come begin no say Daniela get value for that family. She is now begging Daniela that Daniela should come and see the daughter, that she want to bring the daughter to meet. So she is now begging Daniela that she want to bring her daughter, make her daughter come meet Daniela. Make her daughter come see Daniela. How? Manipulators. Manipulator. Daniela now, may Edochie children now, will they go and beg somebody that they want to go to Intelligent? Or will they go and see one family say, please, oh, can we come to Intelligent? Nobody, because their mama go through the right way. Now you follow backyard enter as Judy Austin. Now you commit havoc. You not prepare way for your children. You don't born 3 children. They are not recognized. Instead of you to mellow down, cool down, do it, whether this family can even accept you. Whether May Edochie will still say, oh, I forgive her, let her go. You were committing sin upon sin. You don't already do bad. You can't begin to do the worstest for this social media. You know, say Daniela, the business, they follow boyfriend, and she's not a responsible child. Why are you begging her? Coming to kneel before your enemy to beg them. They say your daughter, Daniela says she's the only daughter, please. She not share daughter with anybody. So carry your daughter, go where you know. Daniela say no once. This is Judy Austin, 2026, now begging Daniela. Me do she say mona leave your daughter alone. Say daughter not there on a group. On a group of fornication, on a group of adultery, on a group of lie gossiper. He said remove her daughter. Since when the papa bend neck like snake follow you, her daughter have a lot to do and say. She stop her daughter. That this matter may not promote. And the girl all wash hand. Me and she say, leave her daughter alone. Her eyes don't clear now. She don't begin to see shege. She not get who she dey cry go give. These children not get cousin, they not get brother, they not get sister, they not get auntie, they not get uncle. All Guinea Judy Austin. All Guinea. No auntie, no uncle, no niece, no nephew, no friend, no. They even get brother, no sister. I thought that these children were not for you. I'm a bingo. That's why you are not you were not bothered. Because all these things now waiting you suppose know. Since that you've been married before, I thought that this thing you suppose know them. Now you won't go beg Daniela. Insult on poor injury. But Daniela, where we know. They say na me do she answer you. No let Daniela on camera. You know, say that girl, if you talk, she dey give the fact. As that girl, Mama just beg and say, please, let them be. Let Daniela be. Daniela is not somebody you can manipulate. Daniela is not somebody who na juju mami water can hold. Mbano, that one a story for the gods. May Edoche say the daughter is not ready to know you or meet you or know who you are. Since when you showcase yourself, they don't have anything to do with you. They don't know you. Now, Yul Edochie, they know. If they have anything to do, it's with Yul Edochie. Leave them the hell alone. Hey! Me Edochie say, leave her daughter alone. No. Leave her daughter out of your mouth. She not send you or put you in your present situation. Judy Austin. This is how you will beg. You will continue to beg. From Daniel around, you enter Kai, then you enter Zin. The way you take do these children bad, remove food from their mouth, remove papa from their house, destroy their home. You dey come beg because say your daughter no need a sister. You never talk wetin they pursue you. You never talk the reason where carry you come. Or you think we won't find out. We don't find out now. You have been rejected there. You won't come meet them. Madam, face your marriage. Face Yul Edochie. Go the shout this marriage of 4. Go the dance. I will dance until my leg break. Your leg never still break. Oh. Continue the dancing. And continue the hyping and shouting. These children went through a lot because of you. You brought shame and disgrace to their home. You destroyed their father. Their father has become a laughing stock because of you. And you have the audacity to tell the daughter, say, your daughter want to meet her. She have a sister. Did she tell you she have a sister? I'm the only daughter, please. Now you know where you foresee children. Daniela not send you message. Carry those children face Yul Edochie. Now you with an commit adultery. Make una not involve Daniela into una adultery or fornication una commit. Remove her. Go face your daughter for one corner. If you find sister for your daughter, carry belle born, but you know they born again. I think say picking a water for you na day. Make una dey born now. Cause Tinubu go help una pay school fees. Make una dey shatter there for ground. See how the table have turned around. This is Omero TV. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel. God bless you.